Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2. Hi, beautiful people. Welcome. This is the voice and the face of Derek. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, if you haven't already subscribed, please ensure to do just that. Hi guys, good morning. As you already know the drill, we're having less unsolicited opinions. We're staying healthy, we're eating healthy, we're exercising, we're drinking water, we're staying hydrated, and we're minding only the business that pays us. Correct? So cheers. What's that Bible verse that said, He has laid the table before me? Yeah, so it's time to check out. Alpha, you want money? Okay. So trying to withdraw as well. There are two ATMs, functional ATMs in the resort, just around the reception. So yeah, we're done. Checking out now. Saturday morning. Be that. Took us 40 minutes to arrive at the airport. Anyways, we are here. I missed my flight. I was 3 minutes behind schedule and I failed to check in online. I'm just tired and frustrated as it is. 3 minutes. They closed check-in at 8:45 and I got here at 8:48. Yeah. We missed our flight and the flight left right before our eyes and we're just 3 minutes late. Flight has been rescheduled for 9:30 tomorrow morning. Crazy times. Now I don't know anyone in Akwa Ibom, so I have to look for how to survive the next about 24 hours, and I'm going to check in online so I don't miss the next one. Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2. So yeah guys, this is the view from the window of my hotel room. I'm taking a risk by putting out my phone through the window. That's the pool side. Yeah, so I was sitting around there earlier while waiting for the room to be available for check-in. I'll also take pictures. Yeah, so this is supposed to be a deluxe room or deluxe, whatever it's called, yeah. I had to even put on the TV so I could make this video in peace. There's a table here which I had to move to place my tripod stand and phone. There's a wardrobe as well. I've not even opened it because I haven't settled in yet. Yeah, you will not say standard past standard. There's a mirror. You get to see my face. Voila, and that's me. And then there's a toilet as well. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. I'm taller than this mirror. To see my face, I'll have to bend. This is the bath. There's a bucket and I don't know what that is called. Or fetcher. Yeah. That's my room and this is the view of the hotel. It's in the top floor. A lot of flight of stairs. See, you know as you feet reach, if you climb these stairs, you feel them. So I'm at the top floor and see, it goes all the way down. The fountain is not working, but the view from up here is really cool. There's a bar around there. So yeah, this is the bar area. If you recall this pool, my room is probably that one up there, the last one. I just want to look at the view from up there. Nice. So this basically just shows the premises as well as the entry. Sharp. Thank you. So how much does this go for now? Then they on touch lights, you say lights there inside. Why is it now so dark? This one is even just starting itself. white behind you. Thank you.
Watch and see.
Is he giving?
Ever had it?
Hi guys, good evening. So I just got back from all the waka waka that I went to do. Visited a couple of places, eventually settled for one, had some stuff to eat. And yeah, so the plan was to have my haircut tonight in Lagos, but here we are. It's been 10 days already since my last haircut, so I have to cut my hair tomorrow unfailingly against Monday morning. I can't be going into the office looking like this. So yeah, that's about it. Ciao. See you all tomorrow morning.